Hi guys, Marvin here from TechBroll.com, and today I have some exciting news for you guys. ASUS actually sent me this graphics card. This is the ASUS TUF GTX 1660 Super, and there's a chance for you to get this, so stick around. But first, let's do a quick unboxing and first impressions of this graphics card. With that said, let's get into it. Alright guys, so right here I have the packaging for the ASUS TUF GTX 1660 Super graphics card. This is the OC edition with 6GB of GDDR6 memory. It has Turing shaders, supports DirectX 12 and features NVIDIA Ansel. In front we have a preview of the graphics card. So it is a 3-fan configuration as you can see here, and then we have a TUF Gaming logo right here. At the back of the box we have a lot more details. So we have all the key features and technologies of this graphics card. So it features the patented ASUS DirectQ3 copper heat pipes for improved thermal performance, and it also features space grade lubricant on the fans which evaporate longer and makes the fan quieter than with a standard lubricant. It also has a protective backplate which helps with the rigidity of the card as well as the overall protection to the circuit board. Of course, we also have a bunch of software that you can take advantage of to maximize the potential of this graphics card. We also have here on the left side all the key specifications and the available output ports which are DisplayPort, HDMI, and DVI port. This card, by the way, is also IP5X dust resistance on the fans, which perfectly fits with the durability the TUF Gaming brand is known for. And lastly, we have the overall GeForce experience that includes in-game recording, photography using NVIDIA Ansel, and game-ready drivers to make sure your game is running on the latest drivers available. Okay, so what else do we have around the box? On top, we just have some branding here, and then on the other side of the box, we have the minimum system requirements for this graphics card in different languages, and of course, we have the actual model name here on the right side. So let's see what comes in the package. Okay, so right here, we have the main packaging with an ASUS logo at the center, pretty standard packaging for an ASUS product. So the first thing you'll notice inside the box is the graphics card itself, nicely protected by plastic. And it looks like we have some packing and unpacking instructions right here, pretty interesting. Let me just remove this entire packaging here for a minute. Inside the box, we also have the user manual and a thank you card right here. Aside from that, we don't have anything else here. Finally, we have here the interesting packaging for the ASUS TUF GTX 1660 Super. So we have a couple of instructions here. Of course, we'll follow the unpacking steps. This is actually my first time to encounter such elaborate unpacking of a graphics card. So first, we have to spread its wings like so. And then we have to flip this upwards, and there we have it. We can just simply slide the graphics card out of the plastic. Pretty cool unboxing experience, right? Now looking closer on the graphics card, at first touch it feels chunky and robust. In front we have a nice pattern design with the TUF Gaming logo right here, and as you can obviously tell, this is a 3-fan configuration with ASUS and TUF logos at the center. At the top side we have a TUF logo at the left, an ASUS logo at the right, and a quite subtle GeForce branding at the center. We can also see here the quite hefty heat pipes and the 8-pin power port. Flipping it on its side, we can see how thick this bad boy is with a small cutout probably for ventilation. And then on the other side, again we can see the DirectQ3 heatsink. Flipping it on the other side, we have the 3 available output ports. So again, we have one DisplayPort 1.4, one HDMI 2.0B, and a DVI-D port, all of which have a rubber cap. We can also see here another ventilation for the graphics card. And lastly, all over at the back, we have this massive backplate with the TUF Gaming branding here and a diagonal textured pattern right here. So overall, I like the design, but most importantly, the build quality of this graphics card that perfectly matches the TUF Gaming branding. It's massive, chunky, and weighs roughly around 797 grams. Lastly, as per my quick research about all the features of this card, well, basically I did a thorough read through the product page. This card was built via precision automated manufacturing called Auto Extreme Technology, and went through a series of testing that includes a 144-hour performance and stability validation. At least on paper, this card should perform pretty good, but we'll see about that on the full review. I'm pretty excited to test this out and see how it will actually perform, but first, let's talk about how you can get this card for your own PC build. Alright guys, here's the deal. There will be 3 influencers on this campaign including myself, Gloco, and Trisha Potato, and the influencer with the most shares will have his fan base chosen as the pool for this raffle. So for a chance to win, make sure to like and share the video that I will post on our Facebook page, either this unboxing or the full review once I finally upload that as well. And for you guys, for a better chance of winning, I suggest you also check out and share the videos that Gloco and Trisha Potato will release. I'll put all the links below once they are available. Alright guys, good luck, enjoy the contents, and I hope one of my followers will actually get this card. Oh, and by the way, for those who have purchased or will purchase selected ASUS or ROG GeForce GTX or RTX graphics cards from December 28 to January 27, 2020, you'll have a chance to get premium items. Check the link below for the complete mechanics. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to show your support and for more contents like this. Alright guys, so going back to the ASUS TUF GTX 1660 Super, again this is just an unboxing and first impressions video and to announce the giveaway ahead of time. I'm going to make a full review on this soon for those of you who are also looking forward to purchasing this for your own PC build. I'm going to test its performance, thermals, and of course noise levels. But for now, start sharing the video, the one that's uploaded on our Facebook page, and use the hashtags FramesWinGames and TUFGaming to get a better chance of actually getting this card for free. And there you have it guys, thank you for watching. Huge thanks to ASUS and Nvidia for sponsoring this giveaway and making this unboxing video possible. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you like this, and see you next time. Have a great day.